Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to turn on or off the warning information on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Then let's find and select the settings, so this gear icon. From the list of settings, you can use the left tab, and let's select here the last option, which is the vehicle settings. Now let's select the vehicle alert information, the first option. And from the following list, you can enable or disable a few alert information. One of them is warning information, the first from the list. So you can use this toggle to turn it on or off. And as you can see, this is like the master switch for general system health notification. When this is on, the screen will display critical engine or mechanical warnings such as engine oil pressure low or engine overheating. It serves as secondary visual aid to the lights on your dashboard instrument cluster. So I really like to have this feature enabled, and I think it's crucial to have this enabled. So let's keep it on in my case. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.